Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can download and install IDM and add it to Google Chrome and download our files faster. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on it and click on this download button. Here, just click on Download Internet Download Manager and your download will start. Once the download is complete, just open it and the installation wizard will open. If you are asked to, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, just click on yes. In this installation wizard, just click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement, click on next again. And this is where your Internet Download Manager will be installed. If you don't have storage left in C drive, you can just click on browse and choose any other location. You can choose different drives too, but I'll just choose to install in C drive itself. That is the default location. Click on next, click next, and the installation has started. After the installation is complete, we will see how we can add it to Google Chrome. Once the installation is complete, just click on finish. And now in your Google Chrome, here, as you can see, by default, I am being asked, do you want to enable this extension? You can just click on enable extension and IDM will be enabled. But if you're not shown that option, just click on this 3 dots on the top, go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and here you'll see, okay, so I am being shown this extension has been successfully enabled. You can just close this for now. Here, as you can see, I am being shown this. So in your case, if this is disabled, that is, it is not showing blue, it is showing this gray color, you can just click on this to enable this, and now you can use IDM with Google Chrome. Let's say I want to download this file, and if I click on download, by default it should be downloaded via IDM itself. So as you can see, IDM is asking, do you want to download this? Just click on start download and it has been downloaded using IDM. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.